Hi, you are welcome to my channel. This wonderful channel provides you with stunning, elegant, creative and educative ideas based on computer techniques. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, consider to subscribe and make sure to hit the bell notification so that you don't miss new uploads. So let's start our tutorials for today. Hi viewers, you are welcome to another tutorials. In this video, I am going to show you how to encrypt your important files on your computer desktop. Now, in this encryption, we are going to need no external software or any test code. This particular encryption is very simple, and in this video tutorials, following the procedure, you can also protect your important files on your computer desktop. Now, to create this encryption, we need to create a folder on our desktop. So we are going to create a folder. To do this, you have to right click on the desktop. In the pop-up menu, we are going to choose new. Then we click on folder. Now you are going to have this yellowish icon with a default name new folder. Give a simple and a memorable folder name to this folder. Now, after typing the name of the folder, you press the enter key, or you can click any area of the desktop. Now we have our folder created. The next thing that we are going to do is to open this particular folder. So you right click and choose open. This is the window of our folder we just created on the desktop. Now we are going to create another folder in this window, and a folder created in another folder is called a subfolder. And in this particular window, I am going to show you different methods through which you can create a folder. The first method is to move to your quick access toolbar, and you have this yellowish icon here. When you click on this once, a folder is going to be created in this particular window. The second method is to go to your menu bar where we have the file, home, share and view. Under the home tab, we have this ribbons or this commands here, and we have a yellow icon here. When you click on it, this is also going to create a folder within this particular window. The next one is also to right click in this window, click on new and click on folder, and this folder is going to be created in this particular window. And the last method I want to show you is the computer keyboard shortcut. That is to hold your control key and the shift key and the letter N on the keyboard, and a folder is going to be created. Now that we have a subfolder created in this particular window, we are going to give a new name to this folder, and this should also be a simple and a memorable folder name. Then you hit the enter key on the keyboard. Now this folder, in this particular folder, we are going to copy all our items, that's our important files, into this folder. Now when you come to the desktop, you can see I have my access file, a Word file and also an Excel file. These three files are very important to me, and I don't want anybody to access my computer and open any of these files. Therefore, I am going to put an encryption on these files. So I'm going to move these files into my new subfolder. So I select the first file and hold the control key, select and select. Then I drag this into this folder. Now we have this folder containing my sensitive files. So when I double click, I am going to see all these files. The next thing we are going to do is to create a WinRAR archive file from this folder. So what we do is we select this folder and move to our menu bar and select the share tab. Now when you click on the share tab, you can see this commands under the share tab, and the command we are going to use is this zip command. So we are going to have a once click on this. Now when you click on the zip command, you are going to have another file created, but this is a WinRAR zip file. So what we will do now is to double click on this WinRAR zip file. When you do so, you get an option, and you have to choose yes from the option to allow changes to this device. So you click on yes. When you click on yes, you are going to have this WinRAR window open on your desktop, and in this WinRAR window we have two files. The first file is the WinRAR file, and the second is the subfolder we just created. Now when you go to your menu bars, below the menu bars we have these commands: the add command, the extract to, the text, and other commands. In these tutorials we are going to use the add command, so make sure your first folder is selected and click on add. We are going to have this dialog box, and we are to select the files we want to encrypt into a WinRAR file. Now this WinRAR file is selected, and when you look through this window we have two files here. This is the WinRAR file, and this is the file or the subfolder that is created in the main folder. So what we are going to do now is to select this folder, and this is the folder we are going to add to this WinRAR file. So we select this and click on OK. Now you have this is where we are going to set our password, and we have some tabs here. We have the general tab, the advanced tab, the files, backup, time, and comment. We are going to select the advanced tab, so click on this once, and you have this window or this interface, and here is where you are going to set the password. So you have a once click on this, and in this dialog box you are going to key in your password to protect your files. So just type in a simple and a memorable password. Now when you are done, you click on OK. Now let's close this window and this window. Now when we come back to our desktop, you can see this is our main folder. Let's open it. Now we have these two files. The first one is the subfolder, and the second one is the WinRAR archive. Now that we are done with the encryption, this folder is no need anymore, so we are going to delete this from the window. So you click on delete so that this goes off. Now I want to access my important files. All my important files are in this WinRAR zip archive. So we are going to double click, and when you double click, you allow by clicking on yes. Then in this window, this is the WinRAR file, and this is the folder. So we are going to double click on this folder. Now we have all our files here. Now I want to open my Microsoft Word file, so I'm going to double click. Now when I double click, I'm going to have this box that says I should enter my password to open this Word file. So I'll go to my computer keyboard and key in the password. Then I click on OK. This is going to open the file on the computer desktop, and this is how to encrypt your files on your computer desktop without no software or any external test code. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe for more content. See you in the next tutorial.